What's up, guys? So today we're back at Irwindale and we have some little event with FD. So we have like 10 other FD drivers and we're gonna do a little like a skill competition with the comp car. What?
All drivers get their own hand sanitizer for the day.
That's dope. You got COVID? No? You good?
No, I'm good.
Setting up the truck. So we gotta have an initiation point and a clipping point, right?
I think it's just an inner clip to show where the car is going to be to do a big entry.
Is that it?
That's what I'm gathering. I think we'll find out shortly.
Okay. We don't know shit yet.
We don't know, maybe Dylan knows.
I know very little. I'm
What's up, bro?
present. How you doing,
How
Dad?
are you?
World's biggest camera in the house.
I know. Where's my beer? So we gotta do a biggest initiation first. And for some reason, I'll be the first driver. And this is the first time for everybody. I don't know what to expect. I don't even know how to drive, but we only got like 2 laps to practice. So yeah, I guess I'll do my best and hopefully I can be a good reference for everybody. What's my score, Dennis?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
First one was good.
Thank you. Oh boy, fucker's gonna beat me. What a dick. Oh! Oh!
I got it.
So what's the word?
Bird is the word, dude. How we doing announcing on this?
You can just tell me, we'll edit it. Let's get this reaction.
Oh man, Odie just beat me. I was leading for a long time.
5 points.
By 5 points. What the dick? What the dick, Odie?
It was all over the place.
I got 65 to 45. Hey, Dad, can you go again? I didn't get it.
Huh?
Can you go again? I didn't get it.
What do you mean?
I didn't get you.
What the fuck, man? You killed my dream, man. I thought I had it, but your first one's gangster, dude.
Thanks. Yeah, the first run I was like, oh shit, a little too much.
Yeah, I was like, yo, yeah, you're not gonna make it. And
Yeah.
you fucking made it. What a dick.
The white spam, dude. Just
Good job.
Thank you, man. Thanks, Dad. Good job to you. Yours were super clean.
Thank you. Thank you. So I was leading the first challenge, big initiation. Up until last driver, it was Audi. He did really gangster initiation, so yeah, for sure he got it. But it would be cool to win something. But I guess I'm gonna try another one to lead the score. Let's see how it goes. So we are waiting on to the next challenge. It's going to be a noodle ride.
You like noodles?
I do, I'm Asian, bro. So what's gonna happen is, instead of taking a wall, we have to go close to these noodle bars that you cannot hit. So we can save the car to hit the wall, but we can still be competitive. How to place the car close to something.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, Dylan.
That's pretty good.
So coming up soon, this one I'll be the last driver. So I was sitting and watching the whole time. It's pretty cool to see this. It's actually really hard because we're so used to go close to the actual wall. So the pole is really hard to judge how close we are and stuff like that. So we'll see.
Let's go drag race.
Di, do you know where you are?
No.
No way. Nine at 1,000 even? 1,000 even. 1,000 even.
Oh shit! Alright.
Here we go, boys.
Good battle, Odie.
Okay.
I told you to go for it. You could have taken.
So far, we're doing good. We're sitting in a second. Next will be drag racing.
What kind of racing?
Drag.
Okay.
Did I say
Dress
right?
up as on Friday nights.
Oh.
What is it?
Drag.
How do you spell that?
Same.
The same.
So I'm saying it right.
Yeah.
Drag race.
What I'm saying is we're not talking about what you do on Friday night, how you dress up. Okay, if someone dresses in drag, if they're a male, they dress up in female stuff and go out.
That's how you guys go drag?
Yeah.
Do you think I do that stuff?
No.
These guys, man. All right, let's take it to the top. For what?
What spare pieces do you need for your car now that you're going drag racing?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Axles and drive shaft.
Diff skid plate.
No, I took it off. We're good. Perfect.
Just the rudder that's gonna take it to the ground now.
Just a freaking trench all the way down.
All right, guys, you've made it this far. We are the final competition of the day. Before we get into practice and lane choice and all that kind of stuff, how do you guys feel about upping the stakes for this last battle? Meaning, we make it more possible for more people to win and potentially win the overall event.
Does that mean more drag racing?
Right now it's basically a two-man race, and if we spread the points out on this last one a little bit more, it could be a 5, 6, 7-man race. Anybody interested in that?
I mean, it's pretty much up to the dudes.
Yeah. They're like, no, that's bullshit. Just kidding.
Whatever you guys want.
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Yeah. You want to raise the stakes?
Yeah, because we're out of it.
Yeah, might as well.
All right.
Thing, what you doing? Shall we do vlog?
Don't worry about what I'm doing. Worry about what you're doing.
All right.
And I'll worry about what you're doing too.
Okay. So we're at the drag strip.
Wait, so what are we doing?
I think we're drag racing, no?
Yep, we are drag racing.
Wow, it is sticky. Had a couple practice runs and it's hard. Never driven the drift car on the drag strip. Yeah, it's another experience. That was it. I lost against Michael Esser on a drag strip. Man, that was fun though. It was a good battle. But me and my car combo isn't that great of drag racer. So, oh well. And I was sitting second place up until drag race. So that was cool. I was a contender of this thing, but yeah. I ended up fourth place overall because the point between drag racing was a lot more higher. So I got knocked out in the first battle. So oh well. But it was really fun today, doing something different with other FD drivers. We never compete something like this before. So I just want to thank all the FD guys doing this event. It was great, and also I want to thank Turn 14 Distribution for supporting this program. It was really fun. And yeah, thank you guys for watching the whole video. We'll see you on the next video. Jane.